Welcome back to Speller Tutorial Services. Today's video is going to be about solving single-step algebraic equations. So let's start with this equation. X plus 9 is equal to 15. In solving an algebraic equation, you need to make sure that you keep everything balanced. And to help us in doing that, we're going to draw a line right down the equal sign. So we've split our equation into two separate expressions. On the left-hand side, expression is x plus 9. On the right-hand side, the expression is 15. First, very basic rule of algebra is to always get the variable by itself. And to get the variable by itself, you have to use the inverse operation. So in this case, the x plus 9 is on the left-hand side. To get that x by itself, the opposite or inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to end up subtracting 9 from both sides of the equation. So I subtract 9 here, and I subtract 9 here. The 9s are going to cancel out and go down to 0, leaving me with just an x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, 15 minus 9 is going to give me 6. Being new to algebra, one of the first things you should always do after solving for the variable is to always go back and check your answer. To check your answer, you just substitute the value that you came up with for your variable and place that back into the original equation. In this case, we have 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. We evaluate the left-hand side. 6 plus 9 is in fact 15, and that does match what we have from the original equation on the right-hand side. So we know the problem is in fact done correctly. Let's take a look at another example. Negative 14 plus x is going to be equal to 19. Again, I draw the line to separate my two expressions. And to get the x by itself, I must add 14 this time because we have a negative 14. The inverse operation is addition. So I end up adding 14 to both sides of the equation. These 14s here cancel out and go to 0. Leave me with x is equal to 19 plus 14. So 9 plus 4 is 13. And all those ones add up to 3. So I have x is in fact equal to 33. Now I'll do my check. Negative 14 plus 33 is equal to 19. When I evaluate negative 14 plus 33, I come out with 19, and it does match my right-hand side, which is also 19. Let's take a look at another equation where I'm just moving the terms around a little bit. This time, starting with 12, and I'm going to set that equal to negative 6 plus x. Draw my line to separate my two expressions. I see that to isolate this x, I need to add 6 to both sides. 12 plus 6 is 18. The 6's again cancel or go down to 0, and my x is what's left. So I have that x is equal to 18. Now to do my check, 12 is equal to negative 6 plus x. In this case, x is 18. 12 is equal to, when I evaluate negative 6 plus 18, I come out with 12. So again, I know that my algebra here is correct. And the last example for this video, negative 31 is equal to x minus 9. Again, separate my two expressions. To isolate the x, I need to add 9 to both sides. Negative 31 plus 9 is going to give me or leave me with a negative 22, and that's going to be set, and that's what x is equal to. Again, I do my check. Negative 31 is equal to negative 22 minus 9. Negative 31 is equal to, well, anytime you have you're subtracting negatives, that means you add the value and keep the sign. So I see here that I do have negative 31 is in fact equal to negative 31. All right, that sums it up for this video on solving single-step equations. Please stay tuned to our YouTube channel, Speller Tutorial, and you can also visit us and fan our page on Facebook, again under the same name. Thanks for watching.